Hello and welcome. This is San Diego dog bite attorney Mark Blane, practicing law here in San Diego, California. This video is on dog bites. I wanted to take a brief opportunity to check an email. I got an email from Karen in Vista, California. Karen wanted to know, Mark, who do you go after in terms of when you get in a dog bite, who do you go after? Who are the deep pockets in order to get a recovery? Well, Karen, basically in a nutshell, it's three different things that an attorney will look for at first. Number one is whether or not the dog owner is a homeowner. And if that dog owner is a homeowner, then the lawyer will obtain the homeowner's insurance. You know, homeowners policies are very liberal in their coverages, and a lot of times people get bit away from the home. So if the dog owner is a homeowner and the trip derived from the home, most of the time the homeowner's insurance will cover for the dog bite. So that's number one, and that's the big one. That's the one that every dog bite lawyer really looks at first, because that's the policy that would be applicable to the injuries, to the incident itself. Number two, the attorney will look for whether or not there's any renter's coverage if the dog owner is a renter. This is more rare. This is a rare occurrence because a lot of times people who rent don't have renter's insurance. But you do find a lot of those renter policies with the military, and San Diego is a big military town. So I've had a couple cases where we got liability underneath the renter's policy, and it was a military connection, so I don't know if that had a lot to do with it, but it does occur, and you always want to check into that avenue. Number three is going after the dog owner personally. This is harder, obviously, because you have to get the at-fault party to agree to a settlement for your dog bite injury, and that can go on and on in the court process. And even when you get a judgment in court, you still have to do what's called enforcement of the judgment against the person directly. So that's going to be a little bit harder to do. It can be done, and there's things that a good lawyer can navigate to help with that. So hopefully I've answered your question today. Those are the three main areas that an attorney in California would look to try to get compensation for you or anyone's injuries resulting from a dog bite. Remember, I do have a free ebook download on my website. It's the Ultimate Dog Bite Animal Attack book in California. Talks about all of this. I've got over 35 frequently asked questions in the book. I've got the 7 biggest mistakes that you can do to avoid so you don't ruin your dog bite case. Free download. It's a free download at my website at blanelaw.com. So you can go there anytime and 24 hours a day and grab yourself a copy. It's real comprehensive, and hopefully if you have any other questions, you can call me at 619-813-7955. I answer questions like this all the time, so don't feel shy. Just go ahead and give me a call, not a problem. 619-813-7955. Thank you very much for your time and attention today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.